In Queens today, some families took advantage of the break from daily demands to appreciate the beauty of this blizzard. Elle McLogan spent the day in Ridgewood.
The streets are whisper quiet in Ridgewood, Queens, except for the scraping of shovels. Frost clings to apartment windows in this brick-lined neighborhood, and a white blanket masks debris for now. Hank's paws go numb in the snow, so he'll prefer to keep his walk short. His owners don't blame him.
I mean, I'm off work as a result of the snow, so...
Yeah, we're not going anywhere.
Unlike the rest of the block, Ecuadorian bakery M&S opened as usual.
Kimbolito tamales is ready.
Angel treated himself to some bread after clearing off his car. What are you going to make with it?
Just get some coffee, and that's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Cypress Depot around the corner is stocked with just about everything except salt and shovels, gone by morning. How do you feel about not having school today?
Happy.
On his way to play with his big brother, 8-year-old Alan is a realist.
Yeah.
Who do you think is going to win in a snowball fight, you or your brother?
My brother.
Father and son Manuel and Carlos Tabia are spending the day together.
Like last time it snowed, it was like powdery.
Yeah.
And it wasn't like a snowman material, so I didn't make one. But this is good snow to make a snowman.
They thoughtfully carved a resting bench for passersby.
Perfect snow seat.
Soon their snowman will resemble the one their neighbors made across the street. It's like witnessing magic for 2.5-year-old Theo, who's making the first snow memories of his life. It's so big, right?
It's so big.
Do you know how to make a snowman yourself?
Yeah,
You do?
I do.
How is that being pregnant in this weather?
It's exciting and terrifying.
Emily Winks' baby girl is due to arrive Thursday.
We've been monitoring NYC plow to see like the roads that are clear, and all the roads to the hospital are clear.
A neighborhood enjoying a pause before the city roars back to life. In Queens, Elle McLogan, CBS News, New York.